Welcome to 5-Minute Health Tips. In today's video, you will learn 8 ways to fight hair loss naturally. This video is for educational purposes only and does not replace a medical professional's advice. Hair loss can be categorized by several symptoms. Male or female pattern baldness, also called androgenic alopecia, is most common among men over 50 and women who already experience menopause. Female pattern baldness can be naturally occurring, related to genetics, a side effect of medication or treatments, or hormone changes caused by pregnancy or menopause. Women are less likely to experience hair thinning in their 20s and instead may start to see symptoms in their 40s, 50s, and beyond. For male pattern baldness, some causes include genetics, cancer, thyroid conditions, medications, nutritional disorders, and high levels of sex hormones called androgens. Here are top 8 ways to fight hair loss naturally. Number 1. Massage. Massaging the scalp, which can be used in conjunction with hair oils and masks, stimulates the scalp and may improve hair thickness. It's thought that stretching during the massage encourages hair growth and thickness in the dermal papilla cells, which are located in the bottom of the hair follicle. These cells play a key role in the formation of hair, hair growth, and the shedding and regrowth cycle. Massage is also known to improve blood flow and the health of the scalp. A 2019 study found that hair growth improved blood flow and the health of the scalp. Number 2. Coconut oil. Coconut oil contains fatty acids, called lauric acid, that penetrate inside the hair shaft and reduce protein loss from hair. Coconut oil can be used either before or after you wash your hair, depending on your hair type. If your hair tends to be oily, you can do a leave-in treatment overnight or for a few hours before you wash it. Number 3. Aloe vera. Aloe vera has long been used for treating hair loss. It also soothes the scalp and conditions hair. It can reduce dandruff and unblock hair follicles that may be blocked by excess oil. You can apply pure aloe vera gel to your scalp and hair a few times per week. You can also use shampoo and conditioner that contain aloe vera. Number 4. Fish oil. Consuming omega fatty acids can help improve your hair from the inside, since they are filled with nutrients and proteins. Taking an omega supplement, along with antioxidants, helps improve hair density and diameter. It also reduces hair loss. Omega fatty acids help your cells work correctly and can boost immunity, leading to better overall health. You should follow the manufacturer's recommended dosage and consult your doctor prior to introducing any new supplements to your diet. Number 5. Ginseng. Taking ginseng supplements can promote hair growth by stimulating hair follicles. Ginsenosides are the active components of ginseng and are thought to be responsible for ginseng's positive effect on hair. A recent 2018 review showed some promising results. Number 6. Rosemary oil. Rosemary is a common essential oil that people use to promote hair growth and reduce hair loss. Rosemary oil has been found to stimulate new hair growth and can even be used to treat androgenic alopecia. Mix a few drops of rosemary oil into a carrier oil, like argan oil or jojoba oil, and massage it into your hair and scalp before rinsing. You can do this a few times per week. Number 7. Lemon. You can use fresh lemon juice or lemon oil, since they've both been found to enhance hair quality and growth. Lemon oil may help you maintain a healthy scalp and encourage hair growth. Apply fresh lemon juice to your scalp and hair 15 minutes before you shampoo. You can also use lemon essential oil diluted in a carrier oil as part of a hair mask. Number 8. Onion juice. If you can handle the smell of onion juice, you may find that the benefits are worth it. Onion juice has been shown to promote hair growth and successfully treat patchy alopecia areata, an autoimmune condition in which the body attacks the hair follicles and causes hair loss on various parts of the body. Onion juice is also thought to improve circulation. Animal studies show improved keratinocyte growth factor, an important mediator of hair follicle development and growth. To consume onion juice, blend a few onions and squeeze out the juice. Apply the juice to your scalp and hair, and leave it in for at least 15 minutes. Then, follow up with shampoo. It's important that you take time each day to focus on nourishing your hair. Taking this step and practicing self-care are beneficial if your hair loss is related to any emotional or stress-related issues. Do your best to maintain a healthy lifestyle that complements your hair treatment plan. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for us, so you'll get notifications for our future uploads. All the best from the 5-Minute Health Tips team.